What's up guys, so today we're going to be doing an exhaust on my friend's E36. So basically it's gutted cats, straight pipe all the way back, but what he wants is this muffler right here. It's the DTM style 3-inch tips. It sounds pretty good. We had an old friend who had it and it sounded pretty good with gutted cats. So I already started. Basically it ends right there as you can see, so we're just going to take this piece, I just already measured it and cut it, so we're just gonna have it sticking right here at an angle, and then probably gonna have to cut it at an angle right here just to line it up with the muffler and make it come out right here. So yeah, let's get started. So basically what happened is the last person who had the exhaust on here, they just cut it off, but it's like ovalized. So this pipe, when we go to put it on there, there's like a fat gap and I can't really weld that shut. So we're just gonna cut it off right here and it should be perfect.
I wish I had glasses, but...
Got it welded up. That was a clip of the sound. It sounds pretty sick. There's still water in it because we left it out in the rain, but oh well. So my welds aren't that pretty, but there it is. Over there. Definitely not pretty, but it works. So now we're just gonna make the exhaust hanger for it so it'll sit upright. And yeah, we'll be done. So for the exhaust hanger, we're just gonna be using this piece of rebar we got from Lowe's. And yeah, let's bend her up and weld her up. Hey guys, we just finished up the exhaust and I started to make some blast pipes on my truck, but here's the end product. Pretty sick, they sound great. And yeah, so making some blast pipes for my truck. Just welded them up. I'm gonna cut that off down there and hopefully stick out like that. Hopefully it sounds sick.